No, no, no. No, we have two cats. That's bad. Bad boys. But butter. But black boy. Alright, come on, please. This is not unbearable for sharks. Come with me. Come on. Right, I think now you're gonna come into a grass, boys. Grass. Right, here you go. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, no. Alright, that's great. Let's play. That's good. Let's try. Yeah, I'm the best. Shit, my mom is gonna kill me for this. My kitties, don't be scared, please. Right, my mom's coming. She's gonna kill me. Shut up, but why don't go to kitties? I'm just doing what I want. Oh, it's good to be Where are you going? Stop! No, please stop! No! No! Little damn you! My God, you heavy as hell! Stay here! Please. Do it for me! I love you, but please don't. Alright, sleep, boys. Sleep. Oh, there's a worm. The worm's dead. I do. No, please. Stay back in the square. Oh, it's getting boring. Maybe I will come for some. Alright, you know what? I haven't asked you. It's just getting too much high. He's just staying here and not getting nothing. That's bad. Please be good. Please. Oops. I will stop screaming, but really scared of that. Maybe you know what? I will just go for some cheese. You will not go, right? All right. Just cheese. Where's the phone cheese? Just come right. Oh, he escaped me. He escaped. He's scared of the car. Please stop. No. This is just jealous. Alright, Mom. I have enough. He's doing it even for money. I don't do it. I'm just a little shark. Freak cats.
But I still love them.